Shom knows how to strike back. Anyway, please do think about my proposal and let me know. I have offers from other organizations.
Father? Oh, Father. Is he the same person? I can't recognize this Shom. I'm telling you, he's under someone's bad influence. Amresh. Amresh, please call Bratin. He's the only one who can handle him.
What can Bratin do? What will he do, huh? The evening before Foundation Day, Bratin took him to a restaurant and tried to talk to Shom. It happened in front of my eyes. I saw them the other day. I'm talking about the eve of Foundation Day. Did he go to the office on Foundation Day? He's a big traitor.
Samresh? Please calm down. I will talk to Som separately.
Absolutely not, Dad. You will not talk to him. You will not talk to him about this, Dad. You get that? He humiliated a man like you like this in front of everyone. And brother, you please let Shom go. Let him join wherever he feels like. We don't need him anymore.
Amresh, all the employees in our shops are in Shom's pocket. What if all of them leave their jobs suddenly? We will have to close down all the shops. Dad will say that girl will save the situation, but in reality, she doesn't have the capability. And someday, just like Shom, I know very well that I'm getting trapped from all sides. Amresh, I'm going out. I need to visit all the shops today. Get ready as possible and come to the shop. Quickly.
Yes, brother.
Oh Lord, what kind of crisis have you put us in?
Dad will say that girl will save the situation, but in reality, she doesn't have the capability. And someday, just like Shom,
Grandfather? Grandfather, please don't worry. I'm going to the base kitchen. I'll prepare as many sweets as possible. Som, I think Brother Som is not a person to harm us. Please don't worry, Grandfather.
You are right, Mithai. This is exactly what I wanted to say.
Grandpa, when Som cools down, he will come and apologize. Even after leaving the wedding at the last minute, he came back later and apologized. I think you all should talk to Siddharth once. Everything will be all right, Grandpa.
Shritama, you are absolutely right. Yes, Siddharth. Siddharth can manage Shom. Oh, Father, do you remember how Siddharth brought Shom back home? Mom, please tell him.
The first thing Mr. Bittergaard will say is sell off the business. No. Grandfather will feel hurt if he hears that. Today I will try my level best to prepare good quality sweets. If the sale goes up, everything will fall into place. My father taught me this.
All the rules of this house have gone for a toss. It is evening already. Nipa has not come home yet. I told her so many times to get back early.
Mom, our Mithai is also going out for work, right? And she also comes back quite late. But you tend to ignore that. All rules apply to. No, I was just saying.
Sulata, the example you're drawing is silly. Mithai has gone to the base kitchen. And your daughter? She has gone out with her friends.
But mom, being late means being late. If they are late, both of them can get into trouble on the road. Why unnecessarily target Nipa? I mean, what is the point in complaining about all this?
I have made a mistake. From now onwards, I won't say anything about your Nipa. The girl whose marriage has been fixed, she is hanging around with her friends in the evening. If Shushmita gets to know about this, will that be fine? Haven't taught anything to your daughter. She's so immature that she doesn't understand a single thing.
Oh my lord! Rajiv, it's you? I was so scared.
Shri, tell me where is Nipa?
Oh, first tell me, where is Nanda?
She is getting ready. She will be here.
Okay, please come inside.
Yes, of course. Hey, let's go inside.
Aunt Sulata. Oh, Grandma, look who is here.
Aunt Sulata, where is Nipa?
Hey,
Tell me,
Rajiv
where is she?
and Ratul, please come.
Huh?
Actually, Nipa has gone out with one of her friends. She normally doesn't go out. She will be here anytime. Come. Ratul, let me
Yes,
make
yes.
some coffee for you.
yes,
no,
why
no,
not?
no, no. Aunt Sulata, it's okay. Today Rajiv wants to give
Yes.
us a
Really?
treat.
No, Grandma. Our Holla party has gone out for a party in a long time. So I've decided to take everyone out for a fun time. I was hoping to take Mithai along as well. She will also feel good. But the thing is that, hey, listen, Shri.
Yes?
I'm telling Nipa is not here. So then, would Ratul like to go out?
Brother Rajiv, I would love to.
Are you sure?
I love it. Yes. Don't try to dodge us. Let's go.
Rajiv, please wait. Nipa will be here any moment. Let me call her. I'll call Sandy also.
Yes.
Shri, let it be. You don't have to call her. Nipa is spending time like she wants to.
What does that mean? Hey, Shri, call her. Ask Nipa to come quickly. Ratul, what are you saying? How can she spend time the way she wants? See, if she comes to know that you have gone out without her, she will create a ruckus, right? Hey, Rajiv, why are you laughing? You know my daughter very well.
Yes.
She's so childish. Ratul, you must have some patience.
Yes, have patience.
We get mad over things she does.
Hey, Shri.
Hey, Nipa, where are you? Eating out. She's saying she's gone out to eat. Garden corner. Okay, see, Rajiv and Ratul are here. Rajiv will take us out for dinner.
Hey Shri, I will also come with you.
Okay, then come quickly, or Rajiv is saying he won't take you with us.
Okay, I will push off now. Okay, see, my phone is running out. I'm hanging up now.
She asked us to wait for a while. She's coming.
But Shri, we are getting late.
Hey, just be quiet.
Hey, Meghna, I will have to leave now.
Excuse me? Would you mind if I ask you to wait?
Oh, Mr. Agarwal.
You're being formal again.
Sorry, I forgot. Meghna, he's my brother's friend, Mr. Aditya Agarwal. And she is my beautiful friend, Meghna.
Hi, Meghna.
Hello.
You please sit.
Thank you. Luckily, I was here for some coffee, so I got to meet you.
What is this? Hasn't she come yet? Sulata? Sulata, what is going on?
She will come soon, Grandma. She'll be home soon. I'm calling her again. It's switched off now.
Why didn't you say anything when Shri called her?
Grandma, no problem. Absolutely no problem. Aunt Sulata, I have another idea. Shri,
Yes?
what I say is, rather than wasting our time here, why don't we pick Nipa on the way?
That's the best idea. See, her friend's place is on the lake road. I know.
So it's sorted then.
And Nanda?
Oh my. We are going to pick her up too. Listen, she knows very well that without her, I am like a snake without his charm. Understood? Here, give it to me.
Hey,
You don't
hey, I
need to
was
have more, you
drinking.
drank enough. Listen, you call Sandy and tell him that whatever he is doing, wherever he is, he has to come here right now. And Shri, I hope you don't have to dress up, deck up and do all of that.
No.
Perfect, then it's okay. Let's push off. Come,
Give me the
let's
phone.
go, let's go. Come on, call him now.
Yes. Let me see. Hey, Sandeep.
What?
Wherever you are, just come back home. Hey, I will tell you everything and send you the location. Okay, come fast. Come.
Yes. Now you spoke like my brother. Did you hear that?
But if we could call Nipa so that we could know where exactly she is.
Hey, Shri. Don't get worried. We'll find her. Let's go.
Yes, we are leaving. See you. Come,
Yes,
let's
okay,
go.
Bye.
Listen, be careful. Don't get
Shri.
late.
Take care. Yes.
What is this? This is poor quality cottage cheese. Why do they use this cottage cheese in the factory? No. I must speak to all about it. Whichever sweet is made out of this cottage cheese, it won't taste good.
How is this girl figuring out things so soon? Uncle sources the cottage cheese from his nephew. If we raise question against him, then all the workers will leave the factory. No. It's none of my business.
Brother Shom,
Yes?
what happened? Why are you standing here? Anything wrong?
No, nothing happened. I came to take my meal. I'm going back to my room.
Sorry, what? Since when have you started eating unhealthy food?
You need to take care of your health. I lived in an orphanage, so I can digest everything.
Brother Shom. Has anything happened again? I mean, did you do anything regarding the business?
I prepared sweets. What else will I do? And couldn't you have asked Som to eat at home?
And how will I say it? Have you left me worth telling him? I warned you so many times not to join the business. Grandpa was calling me. Over there, Shom is so upset. I request you to please don't speak so much. Just be quiet.
But this cottage cheese. No, I didn't say anything.
Where is Grandpa?
All he can say is, Mithai, don't talk. He's always angry at me. After all, poor quality cottage cheese is being delivered. So should I not inform? How to make good quality sweet out of this? Strange. He only says, Mithai, don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. How will I solve these problems by speaking less? No. I have to speak to grandfather. I must ask grandfather. But where is everyone? Where did everyone go? Sister Shri? Hey, Sister Nipa, where are you all?
Well, Nipa, I have a small gift for you. This is for you. I think this perfume is made for you. You deserve this. Last time when I visited Paris, I bought it from there.
For me, you've got perfume. No, I can't take this expensive perfume.
Come on, dear. In friendship, money doesn't matter. Anyway, you don't think about money. Please, Nipa. I bought it specially for you. Just use it once. Please. I'll really appreciate it.
Wow,
Do you like it?
it's awesome.
Hey Nipa, Dad is getting the car here. Come on, let's go now.
No, that is not required. I'll drop Nipa home. You carry on. You please go.
No, I mean, I am actually in a hurry.
I'm telling you, Nipa, I'll drop you safely. Meghna, you don't have to worry at all. We'll come after finishing the coffee. You go home.
Okay, in that case, I will leave. You call me once you reach home. Dad is calling me.
Bye.
Bye bye. Hello. Yes, I'm coming.
My
Okay.
family members must be very worried. My phone is switched off. Hey, don't you have my brother's number?
Hey, she is here. That's Nipa. Hey, Nipa, what's your problem? Hey, Aditya, you are here?
I came here and I saw Nipa on the table, so I thought of saying hello. Okay, bye Nipa. Bye everyone.
You were drinking coffee with this man? What's in your hand?
Show me, let me see. Perfume. Looks quite expensive. Ratul? Take a look.
Yes. It's very expensive. Nipa would like it very much.
Nipa, why didn't you call us from Aditya Agarwal's phone? Hey, I was just about to leave. In fact, I was about to call you, but you all came here. Hey Shri, look at the perfume. Shri, why? Why did you do this? Why did you throw such a nice perfume?
Shri, what's wrong with you? What happened to you? Why are you reacting?
What's wrong with me, Ratul? Can't any of you understand what's going on here? And you? Are you a nonsense? Can't you understand why he gave you such an expensive perfume?
Shri, I will never speak to you again. I will never talk to you again.
Nipa!
Nipa,
Nipa! Wait, Nipa! Nipa!
Don't worry, Shri. What you did was the right thing to do. I would have done the same thing had it been my sister.
Don't cry, Shri. Keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Nippa is really an idiot.
Are you a nonsense? Can't you understand why he gave you such an expensive perfume?
Shri, I will never speak to you again. I will never talk to you again.
Sister Shri, are you studying so early in the morning? What happened? Oh no, why are you crying? What happened?
Mithai. Nipa isn't speaking to me since last night.
What? Let me check whether Sister Nipa has woken up. Sister Nipa is right here. Where are you going with this luggage?
Sulata, where is Nipa going with the luggage?
Don't mention it, mother. I'm in a very big problem. And this granddaughter of yours doesn't listen to me at all. Her uncle's daughter, Lali, called her a few days back. Lali's father, Sulata's brother, Ashok, he has come to a city for work and is staying in a guest house. And he will go back today. Lali called her and asked her to come to their place with her father. And she wants to go. She's not listening to me at all.
Nipa? Hey, Nipa. Will you go to Maithan all alone? You have never gone anywhere without me, Nipa.
Mom, Uncle said to come soon. If I don't go now, I won't be able to reach the guest house on time. I must leave now.
You tell me, Mom, what should I do?
What can I say? Sulata wants to send her daughter to her maternal uncle's house. What can I say about this?
Mom, I have been trying to reason with her, but she is refusing to listen.
Why, Grandma? Why? Can't I go to my uncle's house? I'm not even going to my friend's house. I will go today, that's it. Father, let's go.
Nipa! What is wrong with you today? How dare you talk to your grandma like this?
Listen, Nipa. Stop crying like this and start behaving like an adult.
Sister Nipa, will you come back soon? Look, the house feels empty if you are not at home.
I will come, Mithai. I will come only for you. And not for anybody else.